YOFIDRA 200-bar brushless high-pressure car washer gun, 6-in-1 power and portability. Tackle even the toughest dirt with the YOFIDRA 200-bar brushless high-pressure washer gun, a powerful, compact, and cordless cleaning tool designed for cars, bikes, patios, windows, gardening, and more. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, this portable pressure washer is your go-to tool for hassle-free outdoor cleaning without being tethered to power outlets or bulky equipment. Light bulb key features battery cordless and compatible. Works with Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries, battery not included. No cords, no gas, just instant power and freedom of movement anywhere. Cyclone brushless motor with 200 bar pressure. Advanced brushless motor technology delivers a powerful 200 bar, approximately 2,900 psi, of water pressure. Easily removes mud, moss, grime, bird droppings, grease, and more from vehicles and surfaces. Soap 6-in-1 multi-spray nozzle. Switch between 6 spray modes: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, fan, and shower. Great for adjusting the spray to suit different surfaces, from gentle flower watering to blasting driveway dirt. Droplet self-priming function. No tap needed. The self-suction design allows it to draw water from buckets, rivers, bottles, or tanks. Comes with a hose and filter for clean and efficient water intake. Sponge versatile cleaning uses.